Hello class, here is your Bridges Chapter 9 review. Remember, you have your quiz on Friday. In this video, we're going to look at vocabulary, we're going to look at fans, and last we're going to look at some math. Okay, starting with vocabulary. The first word, do you know it? This is a team. 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 T-E-A-M. Team. What is this? This is a baseball bat. So you have ace, ball. B-A-L-L, baseball bat. Bat. This is a baseball bat. And of course, now this is a baseball. Let's look at that word one more time. We have base, B-A-S-E, ball, B-A-L-L, baseball. This is a baseball team. They have baseball bats. Now here, this is the place where they play baseball. It's called a field. Field. F-I-E-L-D. And who is this? One person. This is a player. So we have P-L-A-Y, player, E-R, player. The players are on the field. And what are the players doing? What are they doing? They practice. Practice. P-R-A-C-T-I-C-E. Practice. Not practice. Okay? Even if it's I-C-E, we say practice. I need to practice catching the ball. Next word. Here, the game of baseball is you take the bat and you hit, H-I-T. You hit the ball. I can hit a home run. That means I hit the ball so far that it goes off the field and my team can get many points. Is this a practice? No, this is not a practice. This is a game. G-A-M-E, game. And how do we know it's a game? Well, there are two teams. You can see there are two different colors. One blue player, one red player. And there are also some people watching the game. These people are called fans. F-A-N-S. Fans. The fans watch the game. Okay? And that brings us to our social studies topic, which is all about fans. But not this kind of fan. We're talking about these kinds of fans. Who are they? They are soccer fans. So a soccer fan is somebody who really likes soccer, and you can also have fans of different teams. Okay, so what are they doing? They are watching the game on the TV. The fans are cheering for the team. They're saying, yay, yay, yay. They are high-fiving. Yeah. We high five. It can be a verb. It can also be a noun. For example, you can say, we won. Give me a high five. High five can be an action, and it can also be a thing. So you can say a high five. Okay, now what are they wearing? They are wearing team hats. They are wearing jerseys. What are they eating? Fans can eat lots of different things when they watch a game. Usually, it is salty snacks like hot dogs or peanuts or pretzels. Okay, these are some very popular snacks for fans who watch sports. Okay, now math. In math class, we were reviewing addition and subtraction with carry over and borrow. So let's remember what that looks like. With addition, we can carry over. Remember, we always start with the ones. So 0 plus 6 is just 6 for the ones. Then we move on to tens. 8 plus 9 is 17. So this is when we carry over. So we put the 7 and then we carry over the 1 to the hundreds. And then we continue. 1 plus 4 is 5. So that's what carry over means. Subtraction, sometimes we need to borrow, which means that we're not giving more. We are going to have to take something from the other columns. 7 minus 3, we can do that, no problem, is 4. But then if we take a look at the tens, we have 1 minus 6. Can I do that, 1 minus 6? No. So then we need to borrow. We need to take from the hundreds. We take 1 and we bring it over here to the tens. So now we have 10 plus 1 is 11. Now we can do 11 minus 6 is 5. And then now we don't have 5 anymore, we have 4. And so we bring it down here. And there's your answer. With addition, we carry over. So, carry over. 8 plus 4 is 12, right? We can't just put it like this, because then the number is going in the wrong column. We need to carry over. So what we're going to do is like this. We're going to put the 12 up here with the tens. The 2 stays with the ones. Okay? So 8 plus 4 is 12. We carry over the 1. Then we do 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 6 is 10. Are we going to write the 10 like this? No. We then carry it over. So it looks like this. And then we continue with the hundreds. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. Okay? That's carry over. When we give an extra 1 to the next column. And one last subtraction with borrowing. Here, right from the beginning, we have a problem. We can't do 5 minus 8. But then, if we look at the next one, we have a 0. Can we borrow from 0? No, we can't. So we need to continue. We need to borrow. Okay, so let's look at this one. Last one. Can we, always starting with the ones first. 5 minus 8. Can we do this on its own? No, we cannot. So usually we go and we borrow to the one right next to it. But here, it's a 0. Can we borrow from a 0? No. So actually, we need to keep going and borrow from the hundreds. What's that going to look like? Well, we're going to take 1 here and bring it over to the tens. So now we have 10. And then we're going to borrow again here and then bring it over again here to the ones. Oh my gosh. This is a little messy. If we try to maybe if I show you an easier way, it can be a little less messy. So, if we want to borrow from the tens, but there is a 0, we cannot borrow from 0. Let's just borrow from 90. Let's just take 1 from 90. If we look at it as a whole, we cross it out. 90 minus 1 is 89, and then we have our 10. We get the same thing in the end. You can see the hundreds, there's 8. The tens, there's 9. 89. So here, if I just cross it out and I go 89, we get the same thing, and it's a little cleaner. So here now we have our 10. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then we do 9 minus 2 is 7, and 8 minus 6 is 2. So 277 is our answer. Okay? All right. That's it for the review. Nice job, everyone. Thank you for listening. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.